5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 80, max 3 right, 100, long tightish 3 left, back 40, 5 right over bump bridge, 130, care, 6 left, into jump and sudden 5 right, 60, 5 right, 300. Glassy braking, turn square right around the bales, handbrake for line. 450. Big care, slow, keep right into big jump, carry a bit into the 2 left. Big care on it now. 60, big care on it. Big 60, 4 right and tight 3 left. 170. Turn very tight square left, escape under trees, handbrake for line. 300. Here, glassy braking, deceptive square left at trees, into immediate 6 right. 40. Absolute 3 right, 80, gravelly 6 left at bush, and immediate 6 right, gravel. 80, back, gravel brake for 6 right over bad gravel, back. 170, big care, braking, slippy into square left over gravel. 80, care, very tight 4 right over gravel. 100, absolute crest, 100, back, very long 6 right, keeps going and going. 350. Turn square left at hedge around the bale. Bad gravel on turn in, drive it. 450 over bumps. Brake early, care, turn 5 right plus. 80. Big back for 4 left over bad kick jump, tightens. Bad kick jump, tightens, bad kick jump. 60, 2 left, absolute 2 left, and long 2 right continues, back before big tree into late turn square right around bush, around bale at bush, handbrake maybe, 400. Keep right into absolute 1 right over crest, follow your poles, 60, bump, back, bridge, 60, long 6 left, back. And don't cut it. 170, absolute 1 left, 100, long 6 right at the leaning pole. 130, 5 right, do not cut. 130, chicane, glassy maybe. 150, 6 left plus, do not cut it. 100, absolute 3 right, 40, long crest, 85 left plus it, wall comes quick, and absolute 3 right. 60, 3 left, 200, slowing 2 left at wall, 80, turn hairpin right long. 100, absolute 2 left, 170, rightish over absolute crest, follow the poles, 350, tight, chicane, grippy braking. 800 over crests. Tight chicane, grippy-ish braking. Absolute crest, 130, tight chicane, grippy-ish. 100, turn square left, don't cut into absolute one right. 300. Slippy 5 left plus at building, stay in, and 4 right long, keeps going. 100. Absolute 1 left long. 100, clear right into tight. Absolute 1 left long, 100, clear right into tight. 4 left over bad bump, remember it. 150, crest, 80, very tight 3 left plus. 200, 4 right, 80, turn square left over bad gravel, drive it around the bales. 60, 1 right, absolute 80, 1 left continues for 150 and tightens into 3 left at pole, and absolute 1 right and absolute 1 left. 40, long 1 left, and clear tightish 2 right, continues and tightens a bit for 80, and 3 left at farm, very glassy, remember it. 150 down to the chicane, glassy braking. 150, absolute 1 right, 40, absolute 1 left, 130 up mid. Clear, leftish into tight 2 right over bump, clear on the bump, clear. 170, clear, very glassy braking 6 left. Don't cut. 80, long square right, narrows. 200, grippy braking for square left over bad gravel. 130. Absolute 1 right, 130 back for deceptive turn square right at bush. 150.